Want to get notified the second someone fills out your Elementor contact form? Let's set up instant SMS notifications with Twilio. First, make sure you have both the Elementor and Twilio plugins installed and activated on your WordPress website. Next, open the Elementor page containing your contact form and edit it. Now, select your contact form widget and go to the Actions after Submit section. Click the plus icon and add the Webhook Action. This is how we'll send data to Twilio. Scroll down to the Webhook Settings here. You'll need to enter the URL that will process the form data and send the SMS. This URL is provided by a simple PHP script, which will set up in your theme's functions file. Add a function in your theme's functions file. The function will take the webhook data and use your Twilio account SID and Auth token to send the data to Twilio. You can find both the account SID and Auth token in your Twilio dashboard. Make sure to keep them private. Paste the URL of your PHP script into the webhook URL field in Elementor. Make sure to include the correct path to the file. Now, fill out your contact form and submit it to test the connection. You should receive an SMS message with the form data. If it doesn't work, double check your Twilio credentials, webhook URL, and PHP code.